My name is Lenny Samuel.
Meni ismim Len Samuel.
My friends call me Len.
Meni do'stlarim Len deb chaqiradi.
I am a detective.
Detektivman.
Detektivman. I work in Los Angeles.
Los Angelesda ishlayman.
I am an LA detective.
Los Angelesda detektivman.
LA detectiveman, to'g'ri. Everybody in Los Angeles is busy.
Los Angelesda hamma tirband, band.
Len isn't busy.
Lekin men band emasman.
Len band emas.
Band emas.
Yeah. He's sitting in his office.
U ofisda o'tiribdi.
He's waiting.
U kutyapti.
He has no work today.
Bugun uni ishi yo'q.
Nothing is happening. Hech narsa sodir
Bo'lmayapti. Hech narsa sodir bo'lmayapti.
Then a man comes into his office.
Keyin u ofisga keldimi?
Amen nima degani? Amen. Amen. It what?
Bir erkak
ofisga keldi.
Kiradi.
Keyin bir erkak ofisga kiradi.
Degani, to'g'rimi? Amen. Bir kishi kiradi ofisiga. Comes into bo'lsa kiradi. Oxirgi s ada degani, to'g'rimi? Come into bo'lsa kirib bo'lib qoladi. Comes into kiradi. Comes into the office. Len doesn't know him.
Uni kimligini bilmaydi.
The man is short and dark.
U uzun va kaltami? Yo'q, short. Erkak.
Kalta va cho'mli.
Qorachadan
kelgan kalta.
Kalta. Kalta ham bor. Qanaqa badbaxtlar bu. He's about 40 years old.
U 40 yoshlardami? 50 yoshlarcha.
What 50? 40 qirq bo'ladi. He's about degan taxminan.
Taxminan.
He's wearing a suit.
U kostyum kiygan.
Kostyum kiygan. He's wearing a suit. The man is holding a gun.
Erkak
nima ushlab turibdi?
Avtomatmi?
Voy. Pistolet, avtomatga balo bormi?
Qo'llarsa.
O'sha avtomat deb nomda.
Bazuka nima deysiz?
Zeg.
Yeah, he's holding a gun. Qurol, o'zi gun degani qurol degan. Qurol ushlab turibdi. The gun is pointing at Len.
Lenga qaratibmi? Qaratilgan.
O'sha qurol. I am Frank.
Men Frankman.
Come with me.
Men bilan yuring.
Yurma. Mr. Blaine wants to speak to you.
Janob Blaine siz bilan gaplashmoqchi.
Mana shu Mr. Blaine'ni borib o'quvchi o'qishga yutib qo'ygan. Bir biladi bo'lgan. Bir biladi. Bir olib deysan, o'sha. Bir biladi wants to speak to you. Qanday ko'rsatadi degan bo'lsa. Bir biladi. O'zbek emas bu. I won't go with you.
Frank.
I won't go. Won't will not'ni qisqartmasida will not nimaga ishlatiladi?
Will not bosh saqlamaslik, istak.
Yo'q.
Xohish.
Yo'q, qaranglar. Will not borib buni barcha nimada chiquvmadi yo'qmi eslolmayman. Will not bu kelajakga ishlatiladi.
Kelasi zamonda.
Masalan, ertaga kafega boraman. Tomorrow I will go to a cafe. Shunaqa. Yo'qsa 5 minutdan keyin telefon qilib, I will call you back. Qaytib boraman after 5 minutes. Will ishlatyapman. I will. Lekin o'zbekcha tarjimasi yo'q. O'zbekchada har kuni ishga boraman, ertaga ishga boraman. Ko'rasizlar, kuni ham boraman ketyapti. Will tarjimasi yo'q. Prosta tushunolinglar, will kelajakga ishlatiladi. Lekin buni inkor shakli won't bo'ladi. Tushunarlimi? I won't go with you, Frank.
Men siz bilan bormayman.
Ha, sen bilan
Bormayman.
I don't like bir bilan.
Janob Blensni tanim yoqmaydi.
Yoqmaydi Mr. Bland.
I like nima degani?
Qarang, men yoqtiraman degan.
Yoqtiraman degani.
Men yoqtirmayman degan.
Men yoqtirmayman.
Bilmayman, janob Blensni.
Anu, u yoqtirmaydi bo'lsa nima bo'ladi? U yoqtirmaydi.
He doesn't.
Doesn't like. Don't pas doesn't.
He doesn't like.
Don't I ga ishlatadi.
Men yoqtirmayman.
I don't like bir bilan. I don't want to speak to him.
Men u bilan gaplashmoqchi emasman.
Yo'q.
Gaplashni xohlamayman.
Want
Xohlamayman.
xohlamayman. Want xohlamoqku. Gaplashni xohlayman bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
I want
to speak to Mr. Blaine. Right? Okay, good. I want to speak to Mr. Blaine. Questions. Lenny Samuel. What is Lenny's job?
a detective.
He's a detective. Is Mike Tyson a detective? No. What is Mike Tyson's job?
He's a boxer.
He's a boxer, exactly. Yes. But Len is not a boxer. Len is a detective, right? Where does Len work?
He works in Los Angeles.
That's right. He works in Los Angeles. So Len works in Los Angeles. Is he an Uzbek detective or LA detective?
LA.
Yeah, he is an LA detective. Is everybody in Los Angeles busy?
Yes.
Yes, everybody is busy. Okay. Is Len busy?
No.
Len is busy?
No.
No, Len is not busy. What is Len doing?
The office. He's sitting.
Yes, sitting. That's right. He's sitting in his office. Qaranglar, bu yerda sittingda ikkita t yozilgan. O'zbekchada ikkita bo'lsa to'xtab aytiladi. Sitting deyiladi. Inglizchada naborot tezroq aytiladi. Sitting. Tushunarli? Len is sitting in his office, right? He's sitting in his office and he is, what is he doing? Waiting. Yes, he's waiting. Who is waiting? Len. Yeah, qisqacha. Len. Where is he waiting? In his office or in his house?
In his house.
Good. Does he have work today?
No.
No. He has no work, right? He has He has no work today. Hech narsa sodir bo'lmayapti.
Nothing on pen.
Nothing is happening. Uzr anaqa bo'pti. Nothing is happening. And then a woman comes into his office. No.
A man.
That's right. A man comes into his office. Shunda a man degani nima degani? Bir kishi. Bir degani. Man odam, kishi. Comes into nima degani? Kiradi degani. To'g'rimi? Ichkariga kir, ofisning ichiga kir bo'lsa nima bo'ladi? Come into the office bo'ladi. Comes s qo'shilgani uchun kiradi bo'ladi. Esinglarda bu narsa. Kirmaydi bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
Doesn't.
Malades. Doesn't come. Comes in, kiradi. Doesn't come in, kirmaydi. Demak, a man comes into the office. Mana bu yerda ishlatilgan. Len uni bilmaydi. Nima bo'ladi?
Len uni bilmaydi.
Tanimaydi, bilmaydi. Len doesn't know. Len doesn't know him. Does Len know the man?
Yes.
Len knows the man?
No.
What? Len taniydimi No. He doesn't know the man. Is the man tall?
No.
He's short?
Yes.
Yes. And he's white?
No.
He's dark.
Yes.
He's short and dark.
Yes.
Voy, kuydirgan. Shunaqa badbaxt bo'ladimi? Ham short, ham dark. Kamiga bitta ko'zi yo'q deyapti-da, bitta oyog'i bilan. Qaraqchi bo'lardi bo'ldi shunda. So, man is short and dark and he has one eye and one leg. Yeah. How old is he? 5 years old.
40 years old.
Taxminan. Nima bo'ladi? Taxminan? Balladis. Bishbaho mashingga. About 40 years old, right? Who is about 40 years old? Frank is about... Oh, hali otini aytmadik, eslab qolibsan. Qo'y. He's about 40 years old. He's wearing nima degani? Kiyib olgan degani. Kiyim emas. Kiyim clothes bo'ladi. To'g'rimi? He's wearing what? Suit. Who is wearing suit? That's right.
A yellow suit.
Oh, yaxshi. Bitta berilgan rasmda. He's wearing a yellow suit. Is he wearing a hat? Yeah?
Yes.
He's wearing a hat?
Yes.
Yes or no? He's wearing a hat? Is Frank wearing a hat? Nima davommi?
Boshida qalpoq bor.
Shartga kiyib olganmi, kuydirgi davommi? Voy, rasmga qaramaydi. Voy, kiygan. Pacho shapkasi bor-ku. Yes, he's wearing a hat. And necktie, nima derdim unaqasini? Короче, he's wearing a hat and he's holding flowers.
No.
Gulishovaga.
No.
No, not flowers.
Yes.
What is he holding?
Gun.
Gun. Ooh, he's holding a gun. Who is holding a gun?
Frank.
Good job. And the gun is pointing at Len. That's right. The gun is pointing at Len. Is the gun pointing at his own head? O'zini boshiga qaratilgan? No. The gun is not pointing at his own head. It's pointing at Len, right?
Yes.
And he says, nima degan says, u deydi, what? Nima?
Mr. Bless.
Voy. Birinchi chalishtiradi o'zini. Men sani katta qolgan eraman deydi. I am your big aunt's husband.
No. I am Frank.
I am Frank. Yurman bilan.
Yurman bilan?
Voy.
Nima
Hozir o'ylayapsan.
Yurman bilanmi?
Hey, come with me. Yeah, come with me. Mr. Blaine xohlayapti gaplashishni san bilan.
To speak.
To you, exactly. Mr. Blaine wants to speak to you, right? Mr. Blaine wants to speak to you. O'shani boya aytganim bor-ku, o'quvchim o'qishni yirtib qo'ygan bu ismini bir bilan. Mr. Blaine bir bilan deydi, shoptol. Bir o'qitdim deydi. Demak, bir bilan wants to speak to you.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. Does Mr. Blaine want to speak to Len? Nima dedim tarjimada?
U bilan gaplashishni xohlaydi.
Xohlaydimi noma? Does bilan boshlayapmi savol demak. No, why? No deydimi?
Mr. Blaze gaplashishni.
Yes.
Mr. Blaine xohlayaptimi kuydirib bilan gaplashish? Detektiv bilan. Yes. Mr. Blaine wants to speak to Len, right? Does Len want to speak to Mr. Blaine?
No.
No. He doesn't want to speak to Mr. Blaine, right? But Mr. Blaine wants to speak to Len, right? Okay. Now you. Endi sizlar kim bilan gaplashish olasizlar? Masalan, I want to speak to let's say Mark Zuckerberg, okay? Do you know Mark Zuckerberg? Taniysizlarmi Mark Zuckerberg? Ha, Facebook. Facebookga yasagan bola. I want to speak to Mark Zuckerberg. Nima dedim?
Men Mark
Zuckerberg bilan ha. And you want to speak to whom?
I want to speak
to
to
Ronaldo.
Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi. You want to speak to Lionel Messi, right? Good. And you want to speak to?
To you.
I want to speak to?
I want to speak to. Mother.
Kim?
Mother.
Your mother. You want to speak to your mother. Unda I want to speak to my mother bo'ladi. Boshqatdan.
I want to speak to my mother.
I want to speak to.
I want to speak.
Ikkitalab to'da o'shantirdi. Bo'lib ketadi. I want to speak to my mother. Okay, good. And Len wants to speak to his mother.
No.
Yes? No, he doesn't want to speak to. Bormayman san bilan deydi. Nima edi?
I won't come to.
I won't go.
Won't go.
Won't v-o-n-t nima bilan virgul bilan, to'g'rimi? Won't. Bu nima degani edi? Kelajakga ishlatiladi, to'g'rimi? Will not ikkita so'zni qisqartmasi, bitta qisi won't bo'ladi. Kelajakga ishlatiladi, bizda tarjimasi yo'q. Boya ham aytdim. Tarjimasi yo'q. Masalan, ertaga parkka bormoqchiman. Ertaga parkka boraman bo'lsa, tomorrow I will go to the park. Tushunarli? Lekin will yo'q. Chunki bizda ertaga boraman, hozir qilaman havasiga bitta so'z. Kelajakga chiqanaqa отдельно so'z ishlatilmaydi. Shunaqa. I won't go. Masalan, ertaga darsga kelmayman bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
Ertaga darsga kelmayman.
Tomorrow I to'liq aytsanglar ham bo'ladi. I will not deb aytsang ham bo'ladi.
I will not
come to class. Hammasi o'zim aytdi. Yo dars klassda bo'ladi. Yoki to the lesson desa ham bo'ladi. Unaqa deyishmaydi. Ular class deydi chet elliklar.
I will not
come to class.
Come to class.
Come bitta t.
Come to class.
Bo'ldi. You will not come to class. Yeah, tomorrow? Kelmaysanmi darsga? You will not come.
Undan keyin
To'g'ri ertaga kelmaysan. Tomorrow you will not come to class and she will not come to class, right? Yes. Demak, I won't go with you, Frank. Sen bilan will mana kelajakni ishlataveramiz-da, shunaqa qiladimi deb so'rayapman. Will Len go with Frank?
No.
Borar ekanmi Frank bilan? No. He will not go. To'liq formasini aytaman. He will not go. Voy, rasul. O'rtasida Okay, good. Frank is a tough man.
Frank
Tough man.
kuchli odam.
Kuchli odam. He laughs.
U kuladi.
He hits Len on the head.
U Lenni turtadi va buni boshiga uradi.
Boshiga uradi uni. He hits Len hard.
U Lenni boshiga qattiq uradi.
Qattiq uradi Lenni. Len's eyes closed.
Lenning ko'zlari yumildi.
O'shanda Lenga virgul bilan s qo'shilyapti, nima degan o'sha?
Ning.
Len to'ppa-to'g'ri. Ning. S D. Len falls down.
Len yiqiladi.
He falls onto the floor of the office. Floor. Mana.
U polga yiqiladi.
Nimani poliga?
Ofisning poliga yiqiladi.
Onto the floor of the floor bo'lsa qoladi. To'g'ri. Ol degani ning. Opa. Bu yerda Len wakes up. Len nima qiladi?
Yotadimi?
Uyg'onadi.
Len uyg'ondi.
Uyg'onadi. He opens his eyes. Nima qilar ekan?
Ko'zini ochadi.
Ko'zlarini ochadi. He is sitting in a big chair.
U divan ustida o'tiribdimi?
Katta stolda o'tiribdi. The room is very warm.
Qanday xonadami? Juda katta.
Xona juda ham nima?
Iliq.
Warm, iliq degani. Nima ekan xona?
Xona juda iliq.
There are lots of plants in the room.
U xonada
nimalar bor ekan?
Orqasida qarang bor rasmlar.
Plants. Plants nima?
gullarmi?
O'simliklar bor.
O'simliklar bor.
There are nima degani?
Men qayerdaman?
What? There
Bor.
Borlar degani. Ko'plik ishlatiladi.
Men bu
Bitta
yerda
narsa bor bo'lsa, there is bo'ladi. Bor. Bitta narsa.
borlar.
Masalan, there is a bank. Bitta bank bor. There are banks. Banklar bor. Are. La. Where am I?
Men qayerdaman?
Hello, Mr. Samuel. Welcome to my house.
Salom, men janob Samuel. Xush kelibsiz uyimga. Mening uyimga xush kelibsiz.
An old man is talking and smiling.
Old man.
Qari.
Kishi gapirdi va biroz jilmaydi.
Talking.
Gapiryapti va jilmayapti.
Qo'shilsa yapti bo'ladi. He's Mr. Blaine.
Mr. Blaine.
Mr. Blaine. He is a very rich man.
U juda boy odam.
He is also a very bad man.
U shuningdek juda yomon ham odam.
Yaxshi. He is talking. Demak, an old man is talking deyapti. Bu yerda gapiryapti degani. Gapirmayapti bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
He doesn't.
What?
He don't. Yo'q.
No.
Is-ku is. Isga nima qo'shiladi?
Doesn't.
What?
Isga?
What?
Qani qayt?
An old man is talking. Not qo'shiladi. He is not talking. To'g'rimi? Savol qilsa nima bo'ladi? Nima oldiga o'tadi? Malades. Bilmayman. Yo, is not qo'ymaysan, aql savol berma. Is an old man talking bo'ladi. Is oldiga chiqadi, to'g'rimi? Val chachvardinglar. Questions. Is Frank a tough man? Yes, he's a very tough man, right? Who is a tough man? Frank. Is Len a tough man? No. Is Mike Tyson a tough man? Yes, Mike Tyson is very, very tough. Juda baquvvat. And Frank,
Yes.
what?
He
Nima edi? Kuladi? Laughs. L A F S. Bizda yo harf a. Nima ekan? Sevadi deb qo'yapsizlar. He laughs. Who laughs? Voy, qaytarishib. Qaytargansan? Voy, Len laughs deydi. Voy. Frank laughs.
Frank.
Raso qildinglar. Okay. Shopqala. Okay. Does Frank laugh? Yes. No, they don't wrong. Who laughs? Who laughs? Xudoga shukr. Frank laughs. And he hits, right? He hits Len on the head or on the shoulder?
On the head.
Boshigami yelkasigami? On the head. Boshiga, yes. He hits Len on the head. Does Len laugh?
No.
Boshiga urgandek dedim. No, Len doesn't laugh.
No.
Frank laughs, right? And
He hits Len how? Qanaqa urar ekan? Hard, yes. Mana shu urib tiqvaradi boshini ichiga. Yelkasini ichiga. Toshbaqa boshi kirib ketadi-yu, shunaqa tiqvaradi. He hits Len hard. And Len's eyes what? Close. Yeah, Len's eyes close. And Len boom falls down. Bilishini qarama. Chochib tashyapti. Len falls down. Who falls down? Len falls down. Falls down kutib turgan ekan. Qarab o'taverdi jim o'tirib. Falls down yetinadi. Bilaman mashina. Vobba yana nima? Oy, zirilladi hamma yog'ini. He falls on the floor or on the table?
On the office.
On the floor. Yes, he falls on the floor. Why does Len fall? Why does he fall on the floor? Tushunarlimi? Nima deyapman?
Qanday qilib yiqildi?
Voy. Why nima degan?
Nega yiqildi?
Nega?
Boshiga urdi.
Speak English.
Yes.
Parlez-vous français?
No.
Because
Frank Len hits hard hits.
Qilib qo'l hamma narsa bilan ko'rsatib ishqilib. Yes. Len hits what? Len uradimi?
Yo'q. Frank Len's hit
demak Frank Lenning urish deding hozir.
hits
Len. Frank hits Len on the head. Hitmas. And Len wakes up, right?
Yes.
Where?
Qatta. Mr. Blake's home.
Yes, he wakes up in Mr. Blaine's house. He wakes up and he is
Sitting.
bilishini qarang. Sitting turgan ekan. He is sitting in a big chair or a small chair?
Big chair.
He's sitting in a big chair. Big chair. Who is sitting in a big chair?
Then.
That is right. Is the room cold?
No.
No. The room.
Warm.
That's right. The room is warm. And there are lots of nima bor? Pat. What? There are lots of plants. Voy, o'zi ham 127 soat ketdi-yu plants degan so'zni eslashga. There are nima degani? Bor. Borlar. Ko'plikka ishlatiladi, to'g'rimi? There are kitoblar bor bo'lsa, there are books. To'g'rimi? Bitta kitob bor bo'lsa, there is a book. Tushundinglar? Are there chairs in the house? No. Are there lots of books in the house? No. Are there lots of plants in the house? Yes. In my house?
No.
Whose house? Kim bu?
Mr. Blaine.
That's right. There are lots of plants in Mr. Blaine's house. And Len says,
Where am I?
Where am I? Where am I? Qayerdaman o'zi deydi. What does Mr. Blaine say? Hello. Hello Mr. Blaine deydi. Mr. Blaine gapiryapti. Hello Mr.
Len.
Xo'p, Mr. Samuel edi, mayli. Hello Len deydi. Xush kelibsan uyimga.
Welcome to my house.
Birinchi marta umrida bir dona xato qilmasdan gapirdi mana shu bola. Welcome to my house. 4 ta so'zni cho'tki o'rganibdi. Yaxshi, chochvardinglar. Welcome to my house. So, Mr. Blaine is a young man or an old man?
Mr. Blaze.
Huh.
Old man.
Yes, Mr. Blaine is an old man. And he is talking. Yes, and smiling. He's talking and smiling. He is Mr. Blaine. Is Mr. Blaine rich?
Yes, very rich.
He's very rich. He's talking degani u gapiryapti degani, to'g'rimi? U gapirmayapti bo'lsa nima bo'ladi? Hozir gaplashdik. Malades. Not xatga tushadi. Isdan oldinmi, keyinmi? To'g'ri. He is not talking. To'g'rimi? Savol bo'lsa-chi, gapiryaptimi? Bo'lsa? Ha, he talking. He is oldinga chiqadi. To'g'rimi? Yaxshi. U gapiradi bo'lsa-chi?
Gapiradi.
Ha. He
He is talking.
Va u gapiryapti do'stlar.
He is talking.
Izob tashlaysan.
He talking.
He talk o'zimi. Bitta narsa qo'shish kerak qatgadir. Nimaga? Dollar. Va S talks.
U gapiradi.
Ha. I talk deysan. O'zing bo'lsang I talk s qo'shmaysan. Men gapiraman. U gapiradi desang s qo'shishing kerak, chunki o'sha s adi ni bildiradi. Tushunarlimi? Qo'shish kerak o'shani. He talks. U gapiryapti. He is talking. Okay. And is Mr. Blaine smiling?
Yes.
Abdush is smiling. Soqqa ko'p bo'lgandan keyin kulaveradi. So, he is a very rich man.
Yes.
Bulada kuchaysa kulaverar ekan, ana bizada aytadi Hojiboy Tojiboyev rahmatli. Kekiraverar ekan. Ya, doradi. Bulada kulaveradi. Boyligida. He is a very rich man. Is Mr. Blaine a very poor man? No, he's a very rich man. And he's a very good man.
No.
Yaxshi odam.
He is also a bad man.
That's right. He's also
A very bad man.
and to'liq aytchi.
He is also a very bad man.
To'ppa to'g'ri. 5 baho sangi. Keyingi safar kundaligini olib kelgin. He is also a very bad man. Thank you. Chachvardina. Translation. Tarjima. You are going to help me, Mr. Samuel.
Menga sizning yordamingiz kerak, janob Samuel.
Voy. Rasoqildingmi? Sen menga yordam berasan. Going to. Going to ning ikkita ma'nosi bor, bilasizlar. Birinchisi moqchi. Masalan, anunda bor edi-yu, she is going to visit him edi. To'g'rimi? Uni ko'rgani bormoqchi. Ha? O'tdik, to'g'rimi? Qiz zoti nima edi? Anne is going to visit Yan. To'g'rimi? Anna ko'rgani bormoqchi Yanni. Endi going to ning ikkinchi ma'nosi bor. Ikkinchisi shunaqa qilasan, buyruq berayotganda aytiladi.
Help me cha yordam.
Menga yordam berasan. Going to uni pashti tarjimasi chiqmayapti hamda, bitta. Yo'q ham. You help me desa bo'ladi, masalan. Mana atak
Sen ham siz ham you ma?
Ha, siz sen uni bitta so'z bor oladi, you bor. Siz degan so'z yo'q menimcha.
Sen menga yordam berishing kerak, janob Samuel.
Yordam berasan.
Yordam
You are going to help me. You are going to find my daughter.
Sen meni qizimni topishga
Voy, qara. Bir soatdan beri nima deyapman bunga? Sen
qizni topasan. Sen qizimni topasan.
Qilasan. Men buni kinoda tushunib qo'yganman-da. Aktyorga nima qilishini aytib turganda, you are going to stand up and you are going to come to the table and pick up the plates deyapti-da. Stul oldiga kelasan, tarelkalarni ko'tarasan deb. Shunda going to ketar ekan mana shunaqa holatda ham deb qo'yganman. Faqat moqchi emas-da ma'nosi going to. Okay? Keyin bu yerda ketyapsan ham emas. You are going to bo'lsa, tushunarli? Going o'zi ketyapti degan ma'nosi bor, to'g'rimi? Demak, you are going to find my daughter. Nima ekan?
Sen mening qizimni topasan.
Ha. Read these letters.
Mana bu xatlarni o'q.
Chochvardi. Carmen is our prisoner.
Carmen bizning qizimiz.
What?
Carmen bizning o'zimizning qizimiz dedi. Carmen mening
Carmen bizning qizimiz. Voy chochvardi. Bizning mahbusimiz.
Buni yo'q qo'yib tarjima qilgan.
We want $100,000.
Biz 100 million
Voy. Sizlar mahallada 100 millionmi bu?
Biz 100 ming AQSh dollar pul.
Necha pul?
100 ming
Ha.
AQSh dollar
Ha.
pul kerak. Bering deyapti-da.
We want deyapti. To'g'ri
Xohlaymiz.
Ha, xohlaymiz. Biz want xohlamoq. Biz xohlaymiz.
100 ming AQSh dollar pul berishingizni deyapti-da.
Ha. Yo'q, uni berishingiz degan so'z yo'q bu yerda. Biz xohlaymiz 100 ming dollar. AQSh qayerdan qo'shib ketasiz?
Biz xohlaymiz 100 ming dollar.
Give us the money.
Bizga
Bizga degan to'g'ri.
Bizga pulni bering.
To'ppa to'g'ri. Ber bizga pulni. Give us the money. Then Carmen will come home.
Keyin Carmen uyingizga qaytadi.
Uyga keladi.
Uyga keladi.
Bizga degan joyi yo'q bu yerda. Sama uy degan bo'ldi. Masalan, Carmen will come to your home bo'lganda unda boshqa gap ketdi. Your yo'q-ku. Qayerdan qo'shib ketasan? Meet us on Tuesday.
Seshanba kuni uchrashamiz. Soat 2 da.
At 2 p.m. to'g'ri. Meet us uchrashamiz on Tuesday. Meet us at the bus station.
Avtobuslar bekatida uchrashamiz.
The young ones. Qara bitta the young ones o'zi tarjima qilsa yoshlar bo'ladi, lekin tarjima qilinmaydi. Bu endi bitta tipa mafiyani otadi. The young ones. Tushunarli? Father.
Dada.
And then help.
Yordam.
Please give them the money.
Iltimos pul.
Voy. Urama hozir.
Iltimos menga pul kerak. Bering.
Voy.
Please give them.
Menga degan so'z qayerdan olib yasading hozir?
Iltimos pul bering.
Kimga?
Carmen.
Carmenga.
Carmen. Nima deyapsan?
Voy, please give them the money.
Iltimos.
Them nima degani?
Them. Ber.
Keyinmi?
Ularga.
Ularga?
They ular degani. Them ularga bo'ladi.
Iltimos ularga pulni bering.
Iltimos ularga pulni bering. Carmen is 18.
Carmen 18 da.
She has long dark hair.
U uzun.
Qora sochli.
Qora
Sochli.
nima?
Qiz.
Sochlari bor.
Qayerdan yasading?
Yo'q, qiz yo'q-ku. Hair.
Hair degani qiz degani.
Yo'q,
soch degani soch degani.
Soch.
Bor degan.
Sochi bor deyapti. To'g'ri topdi mana. She has unda bor deganimi? Her eyes are blue.
Uning ko'zlari ko'k.
She is beautiful.
U chiroyli.
Beautiful. Nima qo'ygan lekin. Okay. Endi gallari o'zlarini. Mr. Blaine gives Len a photo.
Janob Blaine Lenga surat berdi.
Foto bo'lsa bitta surat bo'ladi, to'g'ri? bir degani. Gives beradi, berdi emas.
Beradi.
Hozirgi zamon. He says.
U aytadi.
Deydi.
U deydi.
I want Carmen back.
Carmenni qaytishini xohlayman.
Malades, zo'r tarjima qil. Carmenni qaytishini xohlayman. Go to the bus station at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. Bus station.
Avtobus
Bekatiga.
Bekatida soat 2 da uchrashamiz. Seshanba kuni.
Uchrashamiz qayerdan?
Yo'q, seshanba kuni avtobus bekatida.
Bekatiga. Go.
Boramiz.
Bor. Buyruq beryapti. Go deyapti-ku. Bor o'shatga. Soat 2 da. Frank has the $100,000.
Frankda $100,000 bor.
bo'ladi.
bo'ladi.
He's going with you. He's going with you.
Siz u bilan birgami?
Nabarat. U sen
U
bilan
sen bilan birga
boradi.
Boradi.
Give the money to the young ones. Oradan 3 kun o'tdi.
Yo'q. O'sha pulni yo'qman degan mafiyaga berasiz.
Young onesga ber pulni deyapti. Pulni ham shopqonlarga ber. Bring Carmen home.
Carmen uyga kelsin.
Bring degani o'tmagan.
Uyga olib keling.
Olib kel. Bring. Menimcha bor edi, chiquvda bu bring oldi. Bring. Короче, bring Carmen home. Carmenni uyga olib kel. I will pay you. Mana will bor-ku, I'ga l qo'shilgan. Bilasizlar? I will kelajak. I will pay you $1,000.
Men sizga $1000 to'layman.
To'layman. To'ppa-to'g'ri. 5 baho. Davom etamiz. Len says.
Len deydi.
I don't like you.
Men seni yoqtirmayman.
Basharasiga yetadi. I don't like you bilan deydi.
Men seni yoqtirmayman.
I don't want your money.
Money pulingizni yoqtiraman. Xohlayman.
Xohlamayman.
Men sizning pulingizni xohlayman.
Don't bo'lyapti, xohlamayman bo'lyapti.
I don't want. Men sizni pulingizni xohlamayman. Shunaqa ekan.
Menga o'sha tarjima yoqdi. Pulingizni yoqtiraman.
Yo'q.
I don't want xohlamayman. I want bo'lsa xohlayman. I don't want bo'lsa nima bo'ladi? Xohlamayman. But Carmen is in trouble.
Lekin
in trouble degani tashvish tushgan.
Carmenda muammo
bor.
Yoki
Carmenni boshiga tashvish tushgan deb tarjima qilsa ham bo'ladi. Ruschada Carmen v bede bo'ladi. Voy, cho'chvordim ruscha. She needs help.
Unga yordam kerak. U yordamga muhtoj.
Qara, ikkita variantini belgilashajini. Ashiyo. Cho'chvordim. I'll help her.
Men yordam beraman.
Unga. To'g'ri.
Men unga yordam beraman.
To'g'ri. Questions. You are going to help me. Now, question. Does Mr. Blaine need help? Yes. Yordam kerakmi? Yes, he needs help. Does Mr. Blaine need my help? No. He doesn't need my help. He needs Len's help, right? Mr. Blaine needs Len's help. He doesn't need my help, right? And he says, you are going to help me, right?
Yes.
Who says you are going to help me?
Mr. Blaine.
Yeah. Does Len say you are going to help me? No. Len doesn't say that.
No.
Mr. Blaine says you are going to help me. Qizimni topasan. Can you say that in English?
Qizimni topasan.
Ingliz tilida ayta olasizlarmi?
Going to agree.
Why?
Gives.
You are topasan.
Give.
Hozir o'tganimiz.
Going to.
You
are going to.
Topmoq. Further. Find. Yes. Boshqatdan qara boshdan. Qizimni topasan.
You are going to find.
My son. What? Daughter bo'ladi. Daughter. You are going to find my daughter. Son desa son deydi. You are going to find my daughter. And Mr. Blaine gives Len what? Letters, right? He gives Len some letters, right? And the letters say, xatlarda yozilgan. Say degani deyilgan yoki yozilgan deb tarjima qilib ketaverasizlar. Yoki deyilgan. Короче, Carmen is our prisoner. Yeah?
Yes.
Is Carmen a prisoner? Yes. Is it good? No, it's bad,
yes.
Right? She's a prisoner and it's bad. And we want
It says we want $100,000. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Do they ular to'g'rimi? Do they want $1,000?
No.
No.
$100?
No.
No. $10,000?
No.
$100 million?
No.
Mana shunaqa dedi. No'mish. 100 million didn't know it. $100,000,
Yes.
right? They need $100,000. Who needs $100,000?
Young ones.
The young ones. Malade special? Yeah. The young ones need $100,000. And okay. Then Carmen will come home, right?
Yes.
When? Nima degani when?
John.
Qachon? Nima ikkilos? When are they going to? When do they want to meet? Tushunarlimi?
Tuesday.
Nima dedim savolda?
Qachon ko'rishamiz deb aytdi.
Yo.
Qachon pulni olib keladi?
No.
Qachon uchrashamiz dedi.
No. Dedi demayapman. When do they want to meet? Want nima edi?
Wantmi? Xohlaydi.
Ha?
Qachon ko'rishni xohlaydi.
Ana.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, that's right. They
Yes.
want to meet on Tuesday.
Yes.
Do they want to meet on Wednesday?
No.
On Thursday?
No.
Thursday nima?
4-chi.
Ha, eslab qolsan, ha? Okay, yaxshi. Xotira yaxshi ishlar ekan. Thursday. They don't want to meet on Thursday. They want to meet on Wednesday. Yes?
No.
No.
Yes, demoqchi edi. Bekorni aytding. Okay. They want to meet on what day?
Tuesday.
On Tuesday. On Monday?
No. Tuesday.
Friday?
Tuesday.
Sunday? Sunday? No.
No.
Saturday?
No.
Okay. Wednesday?
No.
So they want to meet on Tuesday at 1 p.m.
At 2 p.m.
2 p.m. 2 p.m. nima degani?
Soat 2.
PM chini. PM nima degani?
Bittadan keyin.
Peshin mahal. 2 a.m. bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
Azon mahal.
Azon mahal bo'ladi. Ertalabki 2 bo'ladi. Demak, they want to meet on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Right?
Yes.
Qayerda?
Qayerda?
Nima bo'ladi?
Where?
Inglizchada?
Where?
Where do they want to
Bus
meet?
station.
That's right. Bingo. Bingo degani anu. O'rtasiga ursa, yo anu yutuq chiqqanda bingo deydi-yu, lotereyaga. Okay. They want to meet at the bus station,
Yes.
Yes.
at the bank,
No.
at
No.
school,
No.
No.
at the theater,
No.
No.
no, in the park,
No.
no, at the bus station. Yes. Father, help, please give them the money. How old is Carmen?
18.
She's 18.
Yes.
Okay, good. Is Carmen 16?
No.
No. Is she 18 or 16?
She is 18.
She ate.
Who is
Carmen.
18?
Carmen.
Carmen. And does she have hair?
Hair, yes.
Nima dedim?
Does she has uning sochi bor dedi.
Sochi bormi deyapman
Yes.
Carmenni? Yes. She has hair. Does she have short hair? Katta?
No. Long hair.
No.
Yeah, she has
Long, dark hair.
She has long dark hair. And her eyes.
Blue. Is blue.
What? Is or are?
Is.
Izmi armi?
Is.
Voy, ko'zi bittami?
Are
Izmish.
blue.
Ar bo'ladi ko'plikda. Ar ikkita-ku. Lar, ko'zlar. Eyes are. Ko'zlar lar. Her eyes are blue. Dev bo'lganda anu. To'g'rimi? Bitta ko'zli unda. His eye is derdi. Uning ko'zi beautiful derdi. Is voy mana qarang yuqtirding. Are her eyes red?
No.
No. Ko'zi qizilmi? No, her eyes are not red. Her eyes are black.
No.
No. What color are her eyes?
Blue.
Whose eyes are blue?
Carmen.
Carmenning.
Carmen's.
Ha, to'ppa to'g'ri. Virgul bilan S. Carmen's. Is she beautiful?
Yes.
Oh, yes. She is beautiful. Rasmda chizib qo'ygan lekin boru. Mana bu yoq betida. Bu yoq betida nimayu lekin bo'ladi. Okay, she is beautiful. And Mr. Blaine gives Len what?
Morning.
What?
Photo.
Photo. Yes. 2 photos?
No.
A photo.
Yes.
Yes. He gives Len a photo, right? And he says, I want Carmen back. Nima degani edi?
Carmen orqaga qaytishni xohlayman.
Ha, qaytishini xohlayman. To'ppa to'g'ri. And he says, bor avtobus stansiyasiga. Inglizcha. English.
You going to
Why?
bus station.
Ketyapsan deydi.
Bor.
Go bo'ladi, bo'ldi. You go deyishing shart emas.
Go bus.
Go to the bus station.
Go to the bus station.
Harakatni o'zini aytasan-da. San bor demaysan-ku. Sanni tashlab qo'yma. Go to the bus station. At what time? Soat nechida? 2 p.m. yoki soat 2 da bo'lsa at 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock.
Soat degani o'clock. At 2 o'clock on Wednesday.
No.
Thursday.
Tuesday.
Thursday nima degani?
4-chi.
Ya'ni okay. And who nima degani?
Kim?
Yes. Who has the money?
Who has the frank?
Frank has the money. Yeah. How much money does he have?
100,000.
1,100?
100,000.
100,000.
Yes.
Dollars.
Yes.
Yes, that's right. And he's going with you. Give the money to kimga ber deydi? Give the money to
Young ones.
the young ones. Yes. Opke Carmenni uyga. Nima bo'ladi? 3 so'z.
Olke Carmenni uyga. Carmen.
Why give the
Bana.
Birdan.
Bring Carmen home.
Why? Cho'chivardi. Bring Carmen home. Bring Carmen home. Opke Carmenni uyga. And is Mr. Blaine going to pay Len? Nima dedim?
Is Mr. Blaine
Going to pay nima degani? Pay nima degani? Pay. To'lamoq. To'lash degani. Going to pay-chi?
going to
Unga.
Voy.
Yo'q.
Kelajak zaman.
To'layman.
Yo'q. Bu going to ning ikkita ma'nosi bor deb aytdim. Bittasi o'sha buyruqda qilasan degani, to'g'rimi? Yoki ikkinchisi o'sha sizlar bilgani. Visitda, going to visit deb ma'nosi boshqacha edi. Nima edi?
Boradi, xohlaydi.
Bormoqchi. Bermoqchiman.
Ana. Boshqa qaytaraman savolni. Is Mr. Blaine going to pay Len?
Senga Mr. Blaine bermoqchi.
Mr. Blaine. Yo'q. Janob Blaine Lenga pul bermoqchi.
Unga to'lamoqchimi domla? Is he going to pay Len money? Ya'ni Lenga pul to'lamoqchimi? Ko'rasizlar, oxirdan tarjima ketyapti. Yes, he is going to pay Len money, right? How much money is he going to pay?
1,000.
1,000. 1,000
dollars.
That's right. Is he going to pay $10?
No.
$100?
No.
$1,000? Yes. Yeah, he's going to pay Len $1,000. And Len says, $1,000? Are you kidding me?
No.
$1,000 bermoqchimisan?
No.
Hazillashyapsan?
I don't.
You are Mr. Blaine. You are a rich man and you say 1,000? Shame on you, deydi. Uyat emasmi? $10,000 deydi. O'zi yurganda joyda sovqa qilib ketardi. 10,000 ga ko'tarardi. Bu 1000 ga. Okay, I'll pay you 1,000. Demak,
I will pay you 1000 nima degani?
To'layman.
senga $1000
$1000 to'lamoqchiman.
Vo, moqchini qayerdan oldingiz?
to'layman.
To'layman. Will ku. Going to. I am going to pay you bo'lganda to'lamoqchiman bo'lardi. Len says
I don't like
you.
Mr. Blaine.
Yes. I don't like you, Mr. Blaine. Did. Bashariy yoqmayapti, Mr. Blaine did. I don't like you. Does Len like Mr. Blaine?
No.
No, he doesn't like Mr. Blaine. Does Mr. Blaine like Len?
No.
No, yeah, after me, he doesn't like Len either. But who is in trouble? Kimni boshiga tashvish tushgan? Carmen is in trouble. Carmen tashvishda, right? In bo'lsa, ichida bo'lsa trouble tashvish ichida degan ma'noda men mana shunaqa tarjima qilaman. In trouble. Okay? Does Carmen need money?
Need money? Yes.
No.
Young ones.
That's right. Carmen doesn't need money. The young ones need money, right? Carmen needs what?
Help me.
Help.
Me.
She needs help. Unga u yordamga muhtoj. Ana ular pulga. Unga yordam kerak, ularga pul kerak, right? The young ones need money. Carmen needs help. Okay? She needs help. Ma unga yordam beraman deb qo'yadi.
Kim?
Ma shaptoli.
Men unga yordam beraman.
Ha, nima bo'ladi? Kelajak yana ishlatamiz.
I will help Carmen.
To'g'ri. I will help the Carmen. Ibomi. Men yordam beraman qiladi. Hey. Kamay qo'rsan. Okay. I will help her bo'ladi. To'g'rimi? I think I will help Carmen desam bo'ladi. Okay. Thank you. Translation. Let's go. It's 2 p.m. on Tuesday.
Seshanba soat 2da.
Peshanba har 2. Okay. Frank and Len are at the bus station.
Frank va Len avtobus stansiyasiga kelishdi.
Again. Frank has $100,000 in a bag.
Frankning sumkasida $100,000 bor.
To'g'ri. Large buses are going in and out of the bus station.
Katta avtobus stansiyasida avtobuslar kiryapti va chiqishyapti.
Katta avtobuslar kirib chiqyapti.
Avtobus bekatidan
kirib chiqmoqda.
Bekatga, avtobus bekatiga. Yaryapti. There are lots of people.
Odamlar ko'p bu yerda.
Yo'q, there are bo'lsa nima degani? There are
borlar.
Malades ko'plik ishlatiladi. Bor. There are lots of people. Ko'p odamlar bor. But Len can't see Carmen.
Ammo Len Carmenni ko'rmayapti.
To'g'ri. Can't. Mashta can't qilolmaydi degan ma'noda, to'g'rimi? Masalan, I can't swim. Nima degani?
U suzolmaydi.
Voy,
suzolmaydi. Men suzolmayman bunyapti.
Men suzolmayman. To'g'ri. Endi gallari, o'zlarini. Frank and Len wait.
Frank va Len kutmoqda.
Kutadi. Kutyapti bo'lsa are waiting bo'lardi.
Kutadi.
Then they see Carmen.
Keyin ular
Carmenni
ko'radimi? Ko'radi.
Kimda?
Carmen.
She is standing by a bus. By degani yonida, ha?
U avtobusning yonida. Avtobus
yonida nima qilyapti? Chakyapti. Kimda? Qarab. Standing.
O'tiribdi.
O'tiribdi degani masalan mahallada. Bizlar mahallada turibdi. Maktabda stand up, sit down o'rgatishmaganmi?
Turibdi.
Voy, o'zi rasmda ham turibdi-da, borib o'tiribdi. Voy.
Adashtirib yuboribman.
Bizlar zo'r tarjimon chiqadi. Birov bog'dan kelsa, ular tog'dan keladi. Okay. She's standing by a bus. Anu aytadi-yu. O'zi bu saroylarni tarjimoni bormi desa, bitta zo'r tarjimon bor edi. Birov bog'dan kelsa, u tog'dan keladi. Biz uni qaynab turgan qozonga soldik. Ivan Vasilichni ko'ryapsiz. Yaxshi emas tarjimonga unaqa muomala qilishni qo'yadi. Tushunarlimi? Oqibati nima bo'lishi? Standingga o'tiribdi desa, ana oqibati nima bo'ldi shu tarjimonga?
Sizlar o'tiribdi dedilaringiz, sizga o'tiribdi deyapman-da.
Ishonmangda bizga.
Bizlar ishonmaydi, biz yaxshi. Yaxshilik kutmaydi. Okay. A young man is with her.
Yosh erkak bilan.
U bilan.
Yosh erkak u bilan.
The young man is holding Carmen's arm. Why biz?
Yosh erkak.
Nima qilib turibdi? Holding.
Ushlab turibdi.
Nimasini?
Carmenning qo'lini.
To'ppa to'g'ri. Arm bor-ku, mana bu bilek bo'ladi-da, yelkadan mantgacha arm. Bu mana panjani o'zi bu hand bo'ladi. Ammo
Keyin yana barmoqlar fingers.
Barmoqlar finger. O'zi bizda ham ularning oti bor. Bizda mana bitta yelkadan boshlab mana panjani tegigacha, mana bilegigacha oti yo'q-da, ularda mana shu arm deydi.
Bitta ana tirsak degan narsa bor.
Bizda tirsak bor. Ularda ham bor, elbow deydi tirsak. Xullas, chachvardik. Danish davom etamiz. Hello, are you Carmen Blaine?
Salom.
Eng qiyin joyini qibullaysiz, qoida.
Carmen Blaine deydi.
Voy, are you-chi? Nima degani are you? Voy.
Ular
Voy.
yo'q.
Men ham bilmayman. Are you nima degani?
Are you?
Are you Carmen Blaine?
Nima deyapsiz?
Voy.
Carmen Blaine nima deyapti? Salom, bu Carmen Blaine.
You-
Siz Carmen Blaine. Sen
Mrs.
Mrs.
yoki misan.
Misan.
Qiz bolaga misan demasa kerak.
Mrs. Siz?
Are you Carmen Blaine? Menimcha endi asal bizlar aytyapti, Carmen Blaine misan deyapti. O'shanda are you Mrs. misan. Endi Mrs deb kutaveramiz, chiroyliroq, ammo student Mrs nima bo'ladi?
Student Mrs.
Are you student? Ana
Endi
okay. Ochmisiz?
Ochmisiz?
Bo'ladi. Are you hungry? To'ppa to'g'ri. O'zbekmisiz? Nima bo'ladi?
Are you Uzbek?
Jinnimisiz? Nima bo'ladi?
Jinni.
Crazy, ahmoq.
Crazy?
Ahmoq degan crazy. Jinni emas.
Yo'q.
Nima bo'ladi? You are crazy. What? Mana ahmoq bo'l. Savol so'rasam, you are crazy deydi. Okay. Kesmayman. Imенно mana shu joyini kesmayman, qoladi. Are you Carmen Blaine? Nima ekan?
Siz Carmensiz. Carmen Blaine'siz.
Mrs. I am working for your father. Men nima qilyapman?
Dadangga ishlayapman.
To'ppa to'g'ri. In qo'shilsa yapti bo'ladi, to'g'rimi? Ishlayapman. Who are you? Who are you? Deyapti menga qarab.
Kim u deyapti?
Sen kimsan u? Shu bo'ladi. O'zing kimsan deydi. Ta'tir ichidan chiqadi. Birov ta'tirdan o'qisin. I am from the young ones.
Men yo'qmasman deyapti.
Danman. From deyapti-ku.
Dan.
Questions. What time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, that's right. Is it 2 o'clock in the morning or 2 o'clock in the afternoon?
Afternoon, in the afternoon.
Yes, it's 2 p.m., so it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. A bit right? And what day is it? Is it Monday? Oh, don't look! Karame? Yeah. What?
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
Tuesday.
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 Tdan keyin you.
Tuesday.
Thank you. It's Tuesday. And where are Len and Frank?
Bus station.
Oh, they are at home?
No.
No.
They are at the bus station?
Yes.
Yes, they are at the bus station. And Frank has, how much money does he have?
100,000.
$100.
Wait. Frank has $100? Yes? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Wait.
$100,000 da o'shanda.
$100,000 dedim deb o'ylayapsan?
100 100 deyapsiz.
100 100 degani?
100,000.
100,000.
$100,000.
Frank has $100,000.
Yes.
Not $100, okay? Okay. Does Frank have $100,000?
Yes.
Yes. Frank has. Does Frank have the money?
Yes.
O'shanda Frankda pul bormi?
Yes.
Yes. Frankda pul yo'q bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
Frankda pul yo'q.
Yo'q. Frankda yo'q pul bo'ladi.
Frankda yo'q pul.
It's just Frank
Don't.
doesn't. Don't. I say don't deysan. Frank doesn't have money. Yes.
Frank doesn't have money.
Yes. Frank has the money, right? He has $100,000 in his pocket.
No.
No.
Bag.
In
Bag.
a bag.
Bag.
In a bag. Bitta sumkada. In a bag. He has. And what is coming in and out of the bus station?
Nima?
Coming in
Bus.
and out.
Bus.
That's right. Buses.
Buses.
Nimalar kirib chiqyapti? Buses are coming in and out of the bus station. Yes? Are the buses coming in?
No.
What?
Yes.
Avtobusga kiryaptimi dog'i?
Yes.
Yes. Are the buses coming out?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Going in, coming out. Kiryapti, chiqyapti. Okay. They're going in and out. And are there people? Are
Yes.
there
Yes.
bormi people?
Yes.
There are people.
There.
Where are there people?
Where? Bus station.
Bus
At
station.
the bus station.
Yeah.
Right. Are there a few people?
No,
A
a
few
lot of people.
Yes, there are lots of
There
people.
are
Lots of people. Lots of nima degani ekan?
ko'p.
Ko'p degani, malades, 5 baho. Okay. But Len ko'rmayapti. Can't see.
Yeah, can't see Carmen.
Can't see Carmen. Can't see Carmen. And Frank and Len kutadi.
Wait.
Wait, yeah. They wait, right? Then nima degan?
Keyin.
Then they see who?
Carmen.
Ko'radi kimmi? Carmen,
Carmen.
yeah. They see Carmen. What is she? Is she smoking?
No.
No.
She's sitting?
No.
No.
Not sitting.
No.
Standing.
Yes.
Yes.
She's not sitting, huh? O'tirmayapti. She's standing by nimani yonida?
Bus station.
Wait.
Yo'q,
Bus.
yo'qmi?
Bus.
A bus.
Young man endi chiqadi. She's standing by a bus. Is Carmen alone? Alone nima degani?
Alone.
Alone.
Alone. Ko'ra.
Home Alone degan kino bor. Home Alone.
Yolg'iz.
Home Alone nima degani?
Home uyda yolg'iz.
Uyda
Ancha
yolg'iz.
ajizdor. Ko'rgansizlar? Okay. Demak, savol, is Carmen alone?
No.
Yolg'izmi?
No.
No, she is not alone, right? Who is with Carmen?
The young ones.
Yo'q.
Young man.
A young man.
Kim u bilan? Young man.
Young man.
A young man is with her, right? And he's holding, right?
Yes.
Ushlagan nima?
Yes.
What is he holding?
Arms.
Arm.
Carmen's arm.
Arm. Carmen's one arm or both arms? Ikkovini ham ishlatgan yo bittasi?
One arm.
One arm.
One arm, yes. Carmen's arm. And Len asks. Nima deydi? Asks nima degani?
Deydi.
Aytadi.
Aytadi.
Voy,
Gapiradi.
Voy.
So'raydi.
So'raydi degani. Asks. Hello. Sen Carmenmisan deydi. Mrs.
Carmen.
To'ppa
Blaine.
Are you Carmen? Are you Carmen Blaine? And man ishlayapman sana adangga. Nima bo'ladi?
I am working
Uchun.
with
Voy.
yo'q.
Uchun.
For father.
Sana adangga.
You father.
Your.
Your.
Your father. Boshqa tanch.
I am working.
I'm working.
I am working with.
Why?
Yes, I am working for your father.
Father. I am working for your father.
Ana bu normalni aytdi.
Yo'q, mendan so'rayotganingizda boshlayapti-da shuncha.
Shuni
so'rasa aytmang, sizdan so'rasa men aytmayman.
Shunaqa.
Doim hamda shunday bo'ladi.
Va ishkal bo'lib ketadi. Okay, I am working for your father. And Ano. Frank asks. Nima deydi asks?
So'raydi.
So'raydi. Mana, sen kimsan deydi. Nima bo'ladi?
Yo'q men.
Voy.
Inglizchadami?
Inglizchada aytish kerak. Nima bo'ladi? Sen kimsan?
I
Voy. Javob berib qo'yapti.
Sen kimsan deb aytish kerakmi?
Inglizchasini.
Who? Who you?
Bitta so'z qolib ketdi. Nima bo'ladi?
Who you are.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Are savolda oldinga chiqadi-yu, you-dan, to'g'rimi? You are bo'lsa bu gap. Are you bo'lsa savol, Mrs. Who da ham savolda hammasida are chiqadi, you-dan oldinga chiqadi. Who are you? Who are you? Sen kimsan? Ma'minga so'rayapti-da. Young one, the young manga. Who are you? Man young ones danman deydi. Aytchisan?
I am from the young ones.
Oh, okay. Is the young man from the young ones? Yes or no?
Young man? Yes.
Yes.
Nima dedim savolda?
Yo'qmandanmisan?
Voy.
Sen yo'q.
Voy. Qaytarib aytaman savolni. Is the young man nima degani edi? Yosh yigit, to'g'rimi? Is the young man from the young ones? Tarjima.
Yosh yigit yo'qmansidan ekan.
Young ones danmi?
Danmi?
Okay, yes, he is from the young ones. Yes?
Yes.
Translation. Where is the money?
Pullar qayerda?
Here it is.
Mana pullar.
Mana bu. To'g'ri. Frank opens the bag.
Frank sumkani ochadi.
Ochadi. The young man sees the money.
O'sha yosh erkak pulni ko'radi.
The young man lets go of degan qo'yib yuboradi degan. The young man lets go of Carmen's arm.
Yosh erkak Carmenning qo'lini qo'yib yuboradi.
Len holds Carmen's arm.
Len Carmenning qo'lidan ushlaydi.
Frank gives the bag of money to the young man.
Frank sumkadagi pulni yosh erkakka beradi.
Suddenly Carmen bites Len's hand.
To'satdan Carmen Lenni
qo'lini tishlab tashlaydi. Len lets go of Carmen's arm. Hozir
Carmenning qo'lini qo'yib yubordi.
Oh, yaxshi, qo'yib yuboradi. The young man hits Frank. Hits nima edi? Rasmda.
Urar ekan. Yosh erkak Frankni uradi.
Frank falls down.
Frank yiqildimi?
Yiqiladi. Okay, good. Questions. Who has the money?
Frank,
right?
Frank.
Is the money in Frank's pocket?
No.
Where is it?
Bag.
In his bag, right?
His
The
bag.
money is in his bag. And Frank?
opens.
He opens the bag. He opens the bag. And does the young man see the money?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The young man sees the money. And
the young man lets go. He lets go of Carmen's arm. He lets go of Carmen's arm. Yeah, he lets go of Carmen's arm. And Len, what?
Len.
Carmen's arm.
Leg out.
Wait,
Leg.
bitti söz.
Hold.
Holds.
Hold.
That's right. Len holds Carmen's arm. And Frank gives something to the young man, right?
Yes.
Frank,
Yes.
what does he give?
Money.
That's
In Africa.
right. He gives the bag of money, bir sumka pulni, to the young man.
Yes.
Right? Gives nima degani? Beradi. Demak, Frank gives the bag of money to the young man, and suddenly nima degani? Suddenly, Carmen hits Len.
Yes.
Wait,
No.
Carmen Len uradi saviyasida.
Yeah. No.
Bits
No.
are. Bites.
Bites
Yes.
bo'ladi.
Bites finger.
Endi arm deb qo'ygan.
Fashion.
Finger lekin. Finger bo'lishi kerak. Demak, Carmen bites Len's ear.
No.
No.
Carmen bites Len's nose.
No.
Burnini tishlab oladi. No. She bites Len's
Arm.
arm. Arm deb qo'ygan, qarab. Armni tishlamayapti bu.
Finger.
Finger tishlayapti-da. Bitta arm bilagini tishlaydi. Voy, chochib yuborgan ozishga. Demak, then Len lets go of Carmen's arm, right?
Yes.
Nima qiladi Carmenning qo'lini?
Qo'yib yuboradi.
Qo'yib yuboradi. Let's go. Qo'yib yuboradi. And suddenly the young man nerjidan kelar.
Frank hits.
Yeah. What? Frank hits the young man?
No.
The
A young man that
hits Len.
Frank.
Frank. Hits
Oh,
Frank.
Frank hits Carmen.
No. No.
No.
A young man hits Frank.
Okay, the young man hits Frank and Frank hits Carmen.
No.
Adashib qoluvdim. No, the young man hits Frank and Frank, boom, falls down. Who falls down?
Frank.
Why?
Hits
Nigga.
Frank. A young man hits.
That's right. Chunki
Because
the young man
hits.
uni.
You.
Wait, mana deydi, chani deydi.
Uni. He.
U.
It's
u narsa bu.
his
uni degani. Him bo'ladi.
Him.
Hits him.
Hits him.
Bo'ldi. Thank you. Translation. Carmen and the young man jump onto the bus.
Carmen va yosh erkak avtobusga minishdi.
Sakrab chiqadi. Jump degani sakrashdi. The door of the bus closes.
Avtobusning eshiklari yopiladi.
Eshigi
yopiladi.
Eshik, doors emas u, door. The bus drives off.
Avtobus ketadi.
Yurib ketadi. It's going to San Francisco.
U San Fransiskoga ketadi.
Ketyapti. In. Hey. Going. Len can't get on the bus.
Len avtobusga ketolmadi.
Avtobusga nima qila olmaydi? Get on. Chiqolmaydi. He decides to get his car.
U
Nima qiladi? Decide
mashinani
olib kelishga.
Qaror
qiladi. Decide degani qaror qiladi. Get degani olib kelishga. Mashinasini olib kelishga harakat qiladi. Qaror qiladi. Len decides to drive to San Francisco.
Len San Fransiskoga borishga qaror qiladi.
Haydab borishga qaror qiladi. Mana shu yerda can't nima degani o'zi? Tarjimasi qila olmaydi. To'g'rimi? Can't drive. Nima degani? Haydolmaydi. I can't swim. Nima degani? Suza olmayman. Eng kerakli joyida bitta can't. Endi o'zlari. Len is in his car.
Len uning mashinasida.
Mashinasini ichida.
Mashinasida ichida.
Lekin mashinasida desa ham bo'ladi. Ha. He is driving to San Francisco.
U San Fransiskoga haydab ketyapti.
Ha, ketyapti. He is going to find Carmen.
U Carmenni topish uchunmi boryapti? Bilmaydi.
He is going to find Carmen. Ano, going to ni tarjimasi nima edi?
Going to
Ha. Going to visit degan gap o'tuvdik.
bormoqchi.
Bormoqchi.
A bu yerda going to find nima degani?
Carmenni topgani bormoqchi.
Topmoqchi.
Topmoqchi.
Moqchi.
Moqchi bo'lyapti-da going to bu yerda. Demak, he is going to u moqchi find topish. Topmoqchi Carmenni. Okay? Why is Carmen going to San Francisco?
Nega Carmen San Fransiskoda
Ketyapti.
Ketyapti.
Go in ku in.
Ketyapti.
Yapti. In bo'lsa yapti. Who is the young man?
Nega yigit?
Kim?
Who yana esdan chiqdi-yu?
Kim? Yosh shu yo'qmen degan yigit.
Ha, what? Yosh yigit kim u?
Yosh yigit kim?
Questions. Carmen and the young man jump onto the bus?
Yes.
Yes. Do they jump onto the table?
No.
No. Do they jump onto Len?
No.
No. Len ustiga sakrab chiqadimi? No. They jump onto the bus.
Yes.
Who jump onto the bus?
Carmen and
The young man.
The young
The young
man.
man.
The young man.
Carmen and the young man, right? Okay. And what closes?
Bus door.
Door.
The bus door. Bus mas bus.
Door.
The bus door closes, right? Does the bus window close?
No.
No.
Not the window, but the door. Window nima degani?
Deraza.
Deraza, yeah. Deraza yopilmaydi, bo'lsa nima bo'ladi?
Yopilmaydi.
The window doesn't.
Doesn't.
Bittayu.
Doesn't.
The window doesn't close. And the bus drives off, right?
Yes.
It drives off. Where is the bus going?
San Francisco.
San Francisco ga bo'lsa?
To San Francisco.
Exactly, to San Francisco. Is the bus going to Tashkent?
No.
No.
To Samarkand?
No.
To San Francisco?
Yes.
Yes. Who is in the bus? Who is
Then?
who is on the bus bo'ladi shekilli. Короче, in the bus, on the bus. Who is in the bus?
In the bus.
Carmen and the young man.
Carmen and the young man. Those ichida kim? Carmen and the young man.
Kim deganingizga qo'yadi. Men bir kishiga nisbatan gapirildi deganda tushunibman.
Okay. Can Len get on the bus? Can Len get on the bus?
Yes.
Nima deyapman?
Keyin yetolmaydi avtobusga dedi.
Yo'q.
Chiqa oladimi? Bu yerda get on degani chiqmoq. Can Len get on the bus?
No.
Chiqa oladimi?
No.
No, wait. The bus drives. Can qila olmoq bo'lyapti-da. Qila ol. Can boshida keladi-yu savolda. Can Len get on the bus? No. Len cannot get on the bus. Cannot qo'shib etsa nima bo'ladi?
Chiqolmaydi.
Can't bo'ladi.
Can't.
Qo'shib etish so'rayman. He can't get on the bus. And he decides. Right?
Yes.
He decides. Nima decides?
Qaror
qiladi. He decides to get nimadir olib kelishga. To'g'rimi? Get
his car.
his car. Yeah. Does Len decide to get his car?
Yes.
Does he decide to get my car?
No.
No. What does Len decide to get?
Car.
Tushunmadi? Nima bo'ladi tarjimasi?
Nimani olib keladi deyapsiz?
Why?
Nima?
Decide.
Nimani olishga qaror qiladi?
Nimani olishga qaror qiladi? He decides to get his car. Yeah? Why? Savol. Yeah.
Qaramas.
Because
Go to San Francisco and Carmen find.
Okay. Bo'ladi. Zo'r. O'rtasini chiqarib berdingiz javob bo'lmasa. Because he wants to ni qo'shganingda bo'ldi. He wants to go to San Francisco and find Carmen. To'g'ri? He wants to go to San Francisco and find Carmen. Is Len in his car? Is Len in his car? Yes. He is in his car. What is he doing? Nima qildi? He's driving. He's sleeping.
No.
He's driving.
Yes.
Drives bo'lsa haydaydi.
Driving haydayapti.
Boyatdan beri aytdim. Mana ing bo'lsa yapti. He's driving. Who is driving? Len. Where is he driving to?
San Francisco.
To San Francisco. Exactly. He's driving to San Francisco. What is he going to do? Tushunarli? Nima dedim? Why? What is Len going to do? Do nima degani?
Do?
Why? Do. Qilmoq degani. Do your homework deymanu. Vazifangni bajar, to'g'rimi? Qilmoq, bajarmoq. Demak, what is Len going to do? Going to nima degani?
Going to bormoq.
Why? Bitta emas.
Going to?
Bitta emas.
Nima qilmoqchi?
Ana. Going to moqchimi? Bu gapda
nima qilmoqchi? Len nima qilmoqchi?
What is Len going to do? Len nima qilmoqchi? Carmenni topmoqchi. Nima bo'ladi? Len is
find Carmen.
Moqchini tashlab ketdi.
Yo'q, to'xtang.
To'xtamasa ham farqi yo'q, baribir esim kelmaydi, nima qilsam? Va hozir aytdim moqchini. Boshidan.
Len is going to find Carmen.
Exactly. Is Len going to find Carmen? Yes. Carmen topmoqchimi? Yes. Is Len going to kill Carmen?
No.
O'ldirmoqchimi? Carmen? No. Is Carmen going to find Len?
No.
Carmen Lenni topmoqchimi? No. Carmen is not going to find Len. Len is going to find Carmen, right?
Yes.
Nabarot, Len topmoqchi Carmen. Okay. Who is going to find Carmen?
Len.
Yes. Who is Len going to find? Nima dedim?
Kim Lenni topmoqchi?
Why?
Carmenni topmoqchi.
Yo'q.
Yo'q. Who
Kimni
is
topmoqchi?
Who is Len going to find?
Len kimni topmoqchi?
Len kimni topmoqchi? Carmen. He is going to find Carmen. Yeah? Okay. Where is Len going to find Carmen?
Where? To San Francisco.
Why? Nima dedim savolda?
Where
is Len going to find Carmen?
Len Carmen qayerdan topmoqchi?
Ana.
San Franciscodan.
Tu bo'lmaydi. Nima bo'ladi?
San Franciscodan.
In
San Francisco.
Aytib qo'ydim, aytmoqchi emas. Nimadir demoqchi edim, in deb qo'ydim. So'zini ichida demoqchi edim-da.
O'zbekchasini.
Aytmoqchi edim, o'zini aytib qo'ya qoldim.
Boyagi to bo'lsa San Francisco.
Gap bo'ladi.
Topmoqchi bo'lsa borgan.
In ichida bo'lsa in bo'ladi. And Len thinks, right? Thinks nima edi? O'ylaydi. Who thinks? Len thinks, right? Does Len think about me?
No.
Men haqimda o'ylaydi.
No.
Does he think about you?
No.
Does Len think about her?
No.
No. He doesn't think about her. He thinks about Carmen. Yes. He thinks, why is Carmen going to San Francisco? Right?
Yes.
Who is the young man? Right? Kim ani kuydirgan? Right? Okay. Good job. Translation. Let's go. It's Thursday.
Payshanba kuni.
Payshanba kuni. Kuni degan so'z yo'q lekin ichida, to'g'rimi? It's o'zi. It's mana shunaqa kuni, yili, oyi bo'lib ketaveradi-da. Soat, короче. Len is in San Francisco.
Len San Franciscoda ichida.
Ichida. San Francisco is a big city.
San Francisco katta shahar.
Len can't find Carmen.
Len Carmenni
Topolmaydi. Suddenly, to'satdan. Voy.
Yana to'satdan.
Len sees a sign on a building.
Len bino
ustida binoda degurasan.
Belgini ko'rdi.
Sign belgi emas, bu yerda yozuv ketadi. Xo'pmi? Lug'atda millionta tarjimasi bor, yozuv.
Yozuvni ko'rdi.
The sign says degani yozuvda aytilgan.
Yozuvda aytilgan.
The sign says the young ones.
Young ones
deb yozilgan. The building is a school for poor children.
Bu maktab kambag'al bolalar uchun. Bu bino kambag'al bolalar uchun deb.
Maktab.
Voy yemadi, boshqatdan.
Bu bino kambag'al bolalar uchun maktab.
To'ppa-to'g'ri. Carmen is playing with the children.
Carmen bolalarni o'ynatyapti. Bolalar bilan o'ynayapti.
Len stops his car.
Lenning mashinasi to'xtadi.
Len mashinasini to'xtatadi. Len to'xtatadi o'zini mashina. Len stops his car. He goes to speak to Carmen.
U Carmen bilan gaplashish uchun oldiga
boradi. To'ppa-to'g'ri. And I don't want to go home.
Men bu yerda
Voy.
Men uyga borishni xohlamayman.
Uyga borishni xohlamayman. I am happy here.
Bu yerda baxtliman.
I like working at this school.
Men bu maktabda ishlayman.
Voy. Like.
Ishlashni yoqtiraman.
The $100,000 is for the school.
Bu maktabga 100.
Voy. O'sha 100 ming, the 100,000. Qaranglar, the qo'ygan 100,000 oldidan. O'sha 100 ming dollar
maktab
uchun. Dot. My father is a bad man.
Meni dadam yomon odam.
These papers show he's a criminal.
Bu qog'ozda dadamning jinoyatchi ekanligi yozilganmi?
Ko'rsatadi. Show. Ko'rsatadi. Take these papers to the police. Qarang, take borib bitta ol degani emas, olib bor degani. Ikkinchi ma'nosi bor take. Olmoq, ikkinchisi olib bormoq. Okay?
O'sha qog'ozni politsiyaga olib boringmi?
Bu qog'ozlarni, o'sha qog'ozlarni, ya'ni bu qog'ozlarni politsiyaga olib boring. You stay here.
Sen shu yerda
qol. Nobody will find you.
Bu yer xavfsizmi?
Voy?
Yo'q.
Nobody nima degani? Nobody.
Hech kim topolmaydi.
Hech kim topmaydi seni. Topolmaydi emas, u nobody can't bo'lib qolardi. Nobody can find you bo'ladi. Nobody will find you. Hech kim topmaydi seni. I'll take the papers to the police.
Men politsiyaga olib boraman qog'ozni.
Qog'ozlarni. Good luck.
Omad.
What? Questions. What day is it?
Thursday.
Tuesday?
Yo'q, Thursday.
Monday?
Thursday.
Wednesday.
No.
Thursday.
Yes.
T-O-R-Z. Hamma Thursday.
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 To'g'ri degan o'zbekchada. Ha, o'shanga z qo'sh.
Thursday.
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 Ha, siqilib yorvardi. Thursday. What is it today? Bugun nima kun? Seriously, what is it today? What? What is it today?
Monday.
It's Monday. Balara gapirmaysanmi? It's Monday. Where is land?
San Francisco.
In San Francisco. Ichida. He is land in California?
No.
No.
Why? San Francisco qayerda joylashgan?
Bilmaymiz.
Californiyaning ichida shopton. Okay, is land in America?
No.
Why?
Yes.
Why America?
Yes. America.
Geografiyani yotib olib o'qigan ekansizlar. U Amerikani ichidami? U Kaliforniya deb turibman bo'lsam. Kaliforniyani do'dalar ham biladi Amerikadaligini. Is land in America?
Yes.
Yes.
Chochvardis. Yes, mish. Okay. Is land in Canada?
No.
Buni bilargansizlar, Canada. He's not in Canada, he's in America, right? In San Francisco. Is San Francisco mana yana bitta savol geografический. Is New York in America? Is New York in America? Yes or no?
New York American ichida.
Huh? Yes or no? Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? What? New York, yeah?
Kemada borganda ana
o'sha haykal. Yes. New York is in America. Demak, is land in the United States?
No.
What? United States degani Qo'shma Shtatlar degani. Amerika-yu. Land is in the United States of America. Amerika Qo'shma Shtatlarida.
Yes.
Yes. And who is in the United States of America?
Land.
Land. And suddenly, suddenly,
To'satdan.
Land sees. Sees nima degani?
Ko'radi.
Ko'radi. What does he see?
Carmen.
What? Carmenni ko'radi deydi. Keyin Carmenga bor hali. He sees.
Building.
He sees a building. To'g'ri, birinchi binoni ko'radi. He sees a big building or a small building?
A sign.
A sign.
A sign.
Sign emas, sign.
Sign.
He sees a sign. Who sees a sign? Unisiga hozir boramiz. Who sees a sign?
Land.
Len sees a sign. Kim ko'radi? Len ko'radi. Okay. Does Len see a road sign? Road sign degani yo'l belgisi. Does he see a road sign?
No.
No. Mana bitta belgi degan ma'noda ketyapti-da. Does he see a street sign?
No.
Ko'cha belgisi? No. Does he see a sign? Yozib ko'radimi?
Yes.
Yes, he sees a sign. Where?
Where?
Yeah. Where does Len see a yeah, nimasida? Nima bo'ladi?
A building.
Ustida.
On a
On, that's right. On a building. He sees a sign under
No.
the building?
No.
On the building.
Yes.
Yes. What does the sign say?
Say.
Nima deb yozilgan?
To'ppa-to'g'ri.
The young ones.
Yes, exactly. It says the young ones, right?
Yes.
The young ones. The sign says the young ones. And this building is a what? Qanaqa bino? It is a
School.
It's a bank?
No.
No. The building is a school?
Yes.
Yes.
It's a school for rich children?
No.
Boyvachcha bola? No.
Poor children.
It's a school for poor children.
Yes.
Yes. It's a school for poor children. Yeah. And what is Carmen doing? What is Carmen doing?
Carmen nima qilyapti?
Yes.
Carmen
Playing
No.
is
children.
Yes.
and children.
She is playing with the children. Carmen is playing. Huh?
Yes.
Carmen is playing. Carmen o'ynayapti degani. Carmen o'ynayaptimi bo'lsa nima bo'lardi?
Is Carmen playing?
Va chochvordi mana shu bola. 5 baho. Is Carmen playing bo'ladi, yeah. Is Carmen playing with her father?
No.
No.
Adasi bilan o'ynayaptimi?
No.
No. Is Carmen smoking with the children?
No.
Bolalar bilan chakka o'tiribmi?
No.
No. She's not smoking, she is playing, right? She's a good girl. She doesn't smoke. Huh? Nima degani? She doesn't smoke.
She doesn't
Smoke.
Doesn't. U chekmaydi.
Chekmaydi Carmen. She's a good girl.
Yes.
Okay? Do you smoke?
Ne?
You don't smoke.
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
You are a good boy.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Carmen is playing with the children. And Len
Stops.
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 Yeah. He stops what? His bicycle?
No. His
No.
car.
His car.
Car.
Yes. And he goes. Right?
Ah.
Boradi. He goes to speak
Carmen.
to Carmen. Ikkita to de. He goes to speak to Carmen. Okay? U boradi Carmen oldiga gaplashgani. Lekin ikki xil ma'noda ko'rasizlarmi? Ikkita to gaplashgan. Gaplashgan desa ham bo'ladi lekin.
Bo'ladi, gap.
Ha? U yerda ham gap bo'ladi. He goes to Carmen.
He
To
goes
to Carmen.
He goes to speak to Carmen.
Ha, to'g'ri. Shunaqa, men adashib ketdim. Sen adashtirding. He goes to speak to Carmen. Who goes to speak to Carmen? Len?
Yes.
And Carmen says, "Xohlamayman uyga borishni."
I don't at home.
Why?
I don't. Uyga borishnimi?
Ha,
I don't want.
borishni.
Borishni aytadi.
Go.
Going to.
Going ketyapti degan. I don't want to go home.
Go home. Ha,
Go.
go.
Ha? Tuxumdan oldin to qo'yilmaydi, bilasizlar? Agar bankka borish xohlamayman bo'lsa, ha, bankka borish xohlamayman bo'lsa, I don't want to go to the bank bo'ladi. To'g'rimi? Bu yerda to bor. A home-da yo'q. I don't want to go home. To home emasda. To'g'rimi? I don't want to go home. Does Carmen want to go home? Yes or no? Does Carmen want to go home? Nima dedim?
No. Borishni xohlaydimi?
He, uyga borish xohlaydimi nima?
No.
No. She doesn't want to go home. Do you want to go home?
Yes.
Yes? Where is your home?
Where is?
In Samarkand?
No.
In Navoy?
Surxondaryo.
In Surxondaryo? Yes. You want to go home to Surxondaryo? Yes? Okay, good. Is Carmen happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, Carmen is happy. Now,
Carmen
is happy.
is yo'q, nada. Carmen is yo'q. Carmen her happy.
Is happy here.
Uh,
Shunaqa demoqchi.
Carmen shu yerda.
Ha, to'g'ri, u вообще vaqtli emas. Именно mana shunda. She's happy at the school, right?
Yes.
Okay. Does Carmen like working with children? Does she like working with children?
Yes.
Nima deyapman?
Yo'q, skul bilan
Voy.
emas.
Voy voy.
Yo'q. Ishlaydi. Carmen ishlaydi, working.
Ha. Nima deyapman savolda? Does Carmen like working with children?
Carmen bolalar bilan ishlashni yoqtiradi. Yes.
Mi?
Yes.
Yoqtiradimi? Does bo'lsa savol bo'ladi-yu.
Yes.
Yesmi, no'mi?
Yo, men maktabda ishlashni yoqtiradi deb tarjima qildim.
Yo'q, shunaqa ham. Men просто o'shandan logично o'ylayvering-da siz. Bu ham to'g'ri. Maktabda ishlash yoqtiradi, bola bilan ishlash yoqtirmaydi. Aniq-ku, nima deydi? G'alati. Demak, she likes working at this school, right? And she likes working with children. Working endi bu narsa yozilmagan lekin shunaqada. Okay. She likes working at this school. Who likes working?
Carmen.
Okay, Carmen likes working. Where? Qayerda? Where does she like working?
At school in San Francisco.
Oh, cho'chivardi mana shu bora. At school in San Francisco. And the money, o'sha pul, to'g'rimi? The money, how much money was it?
100,000.
100,000, yes. The $100,000 is for Carmen's boyfriend.
No.
Carmen's qo'chqoriga. No. It is for whom?
School. At school.
For school. That's right. It's for the school, right?
The school. Yes.
The money is for the school. Is her father a good man?
No.
No. Her father is a bad man, right?
Yes.
Carmen's father is a bad man. Okay. Who is a bad man?
Blaine.
Mr. Blaine,
Mr.
right?
Blaine.
Carmen's otasi.
Carmen's otasi. Carmen's father.
Carmen's as father. Good. And Carmen gives Len what?
Papers.
Papers. Yeah, gives nima degani? Beradi. Bitta yozilmayapman, lekin o'zim aytib ketaman. Carmen gives Len some papers, right?
Yes.
Some nima degani? Bir qancha, to'ppa-to'g'ri. She gives Len some papers. And these papers show he is a good man.
No.
No.
Yes. No. A criminal.
Yes, a criminal. Not a good man, a criminal. What shows he is a criminal?
Mr. Blaine and friend.
No.
So
What shows nima degani?
shows. Ana.
Beradi.
Voy.
Yo'q.
Hop.
Papers.
Show nima degani?
Haqida.
Voy. Show. TV show deydi.
Tomosha.
Yozilgan.
Show ko'rsatadi. Shows degani ko'rsatadi degani. What shows he is a criminal? Tushunarlimi?
What shows jinoyatchi
Ligini
ko'rsatadi mana bu.
nima deyapman?
Papers.
The papers.
The papers.
The papers show he's a criminal. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And who must take the papers to the police? Tushunarli savol.
Yo'q.
Who must take degani nima degani?
Beradi.
Voy.
Olib boradi.
Olib bormoq. Birinchisi olmoq, ikkinchisi olib bormoq.
Len.
Kim olib borish kerak deyapman?
Len.
Len must take the papers to the police, right? Yes. Okay. And what do the papers show?
What?
Qiyin savol yana, ha?
What?
Do the papers show?
Len.
Yo'q.
Nima deyapman? Tarjima qo'y.
Boyaga qog'ozlarda nima ko'rsatilgan?
Qog'ozlar nimani ko'rsatadi? Ha.
Blaine
Is
criminal.
That's right. Mr. Blaine is a criminal. Yes. The papers show Blaine is a criminal. Good job. Sal boshqacharoq savollarni ham qo'shib ketaman. Faqat shu tiklaman. Shu o'ylab logично. Okay? And Len says, san shu yerda qol.
You style hair.
O, chachiting. You stay here. He says, you stay here. San shu yerda qol. Nobody will find you. deydi, to'g'rimi? Nima degani?
Nobody.
Bu yerda xatar.
Voy, yana o'sha gap
Hech kim
Sani
topolmaydi.
hech kim sani topolmaydi emas, topmaydi. G'alatirog'i, lekin tarjima shunaqa, topmaydi. I will take, mana shu I'll ana ikkita l turibdi, to'g'rimi? I will bo'ladi. Will nimaga ishlatiladi?
Will top.
Voy.
Istagan.
Voy. Yana shunaqada, o'tgan safar ham shunaqa deding.
Ko'p chalg'ayapman.
Yo'q, chalg'olsan. Demak, yaxshi bilmayapsan. O'shaning uchun qaytarib turamiz. Will nimaga ishlatiladi? Will qani?
Bajarmoqdan man qilmoq.
Voy, kelasi zamonga I will take dot. I will take the papers. Bitta bizda will olib boraman deyapti. Ya'ni will ni tarjimasi yo'q hozir. Mana shu gapda. Masalan, I take the papers bo'ladi. O'zbekchaga promoy qilsa, to'g'rimi? Men olib boraman qog'ozlarni. Will ni tarjimasi yo'q. Lekin o'sha kelajakni bildirishini bilib olishinglar kerak.
Hozirgi yo o'tgan zamon qolmasligini bildirish kerak.
Ha. Hozirgi zamon emas, o'tgan zamon emas, kelasi zamon. Olib boraman ertaga. Masalan, I will take the papers to the police ertaga. Nima bo'ladi? Ertaga.
Ertagami?
Ha.
Every day.
Voy,
Yo'q.
har kuni degani. Every day.
Ertaga.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Chiqqanmi shu so'z? Ko'p ishlatmagansiz-da, o'shancha esda qolmagan. Demak,
lekin shunda r-ni aniq ikkitalarini o'qib anaqa qilyapti. Tomorrow bo'lib ketmayapti.
Tomorrow.
R ikkita-ku, ikkoni ham aniq aytyapti. Lekin bu ham sitting yozilgan-ku, sitting o'qib ketadi.
Sitting.
Tomorrow bitta o'qiyapti.
Bitta tomorrow. Yo bitta tomorrow emas-da, tomorrow. R shunda bir ro o'tib ketadi.
Tomorrow.
Okay. I'll take the papers to the police. Good luck. Right?
Yes.
He says. Translation. It's Friday.
Juma kuni
Len is in Los Angeles.
Len Los Angelesda.
He is at the police station.
U politsiya idorasida.
Mahkamasida, idorasida. Frank and Blaine are at the police station too.
Frank va Blaine ham politsiya idorasida.
Two bo'lsa ham to'g'ri. These papers show that you are a criminal, Blaine.
Bu yerda jinoyat ekanligingiz yozilgan.
Bu qog'ozlar nima qilyapti? Ko'rsatadi.
Sizni jinoyatchi ekanligingiz ko'rsatyapti, Blaine.
I am tired.
Men charchadim.
I have no money.
Menda pul yo'q.
But I have an exciting job.
Ammo menda qiziqarli kasb ish bor.
And I like to help people.
Va men odamlarni yaxshi ko'raman.
Yordam beraman.
That's why I am an LA detective.
Shuning uchun men detektivman.
LA detective. Good job. Page 16 questions. It's Friday or Thursday?
Friday.
It's Friday. Yes, it's Friday. And where is Len?
Los Angeles. In Los Angeles.
In Los Angeles, right? Where exactly degani, где именно degani, именно qayerda u hozir? He's in Los Angeles, but is he at the bank, at school?
Police
Station.
At the police station. He is at the police station. At bo'lsa dabot, to'g'rimi o'sha yerda? And is Len alone at the police station? Alone. Nima edi? Alone? Yolg'iz, bir o'zi. No, he is not alone at the police station. He is with
People.
with people. To'g'ri, lekin odamlar desa, he's with people. Which people? Qaysi odamlar? What people? Frank
Blaine.
and Blaine.
Police officer and Len.
Oh, good job. Yes.
Police officers ularga ikki kishi ekanlar.
Two police officers. Yes. How many people are there at the police station? Yes, there are 5 people, right? There are 5 people at the police station. Are Frank and Blaine at the police station too?
Yes.
Yes. Ular ham shu yerdamidami? Yes, they are. And who has the papers?
Who has
The papers.
Police officers.
That's right. Savolim tarjimasi nima bo'lardi? Who has the papers?
Qog'ozlar kimda?
To'ppa-to'g'ri. Qog'ozlar kimda? Who has? Qog'ozlar kimda bor desa ham bo'ladi-yu, yemaydi-da lekin. Qog'ozlar kimda? Who has the papers? The police officers have bo'ladimi, has bo'ladimi?
Police officers bo'lsa have
bo'ladi. Nega?
bir kishi.
Ikki kishi bo'lgani uchun have bo'ladi. Bir kishi bo'lganda has bo'ladi. Ularda bor bo'ladi. To'g'ri? Is Len tired?
Yes.
Yeah, Len is tired. Does he have money?
Does you know?
No.
Money?
He has no money. Uni puli yo'q. Does Len have a job?
Yes.
Ishi bormi, kasbi bormi? Yes.
Exciting a job.
He has an exciting job. Exactly. Who has an exciting job? Len. Exactly. Len has an exciting job. Does Len like to help people?
Yes.
Yes, he likes to help people. Do you like to help people? You?
Yes.
You like to help people?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me 100,000? Izmin berib tura olasan? Odamlarga yordam berish yoqadimi? Maham dotdi. Bo'ldi, gapingga javob ber. Gapingga javob ber bo'ldi.
Detektiv bo'lish kerak.
Detektiv bo'lib berish yoqadimi?
Student, menga kerak.
O'shaning no, I don't. I like people helping me. Menga odamlarga yordam berish yoqadi. Okay. Yeah. So that's why I am an LA detective. Shuning uchun ham men shartmen tanish. Shotda. Okay, thank you. That is the end of the lesson.